Assalamu alaikum. I'm in a tunnel and I'm going to grow this Wilco radish. So easy to grow. I'm gonna sprinkle over it, then I will put a compost on top of it. It's a bit early, but we are in the tunnel. My tunnel is very warm. These are tiny seed. I made this soil ready for seeding. It took me about an hour to get it ready. It's gonna germinate very nicely, inshallah. I got this compost. I'm gonna put it over it. These seeds are very tiny, so you only have to put a little bit of compost on it, and after that you have to water it. It will germinate quite quickly. Now I'm going to water it.
Hi Zaman.
Yeah, how are you? All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
We're going to harvest these radish. These are just about ready now.
Yeah, they look nice.
Look at this. Beautiful.
These have been in for about 5 weeks.
5 weeks, yes.
5 weeks. Pretty perfect, aren't they?
Oh yeah, very nice.
And this variety, I think you can eat the leaves as well. So you
Of
could
course, yes.
stir fry the leaves,
Yeah,
or just add them to curries, or even are they good in salads maybe?
Yes.
Perfect. So of these, did you fertilise these, or are they just in?
No, just in the compost.
Yeah.
Soil and compost.
And so you sowed these in February, middle of February?
Yeah, it's about 5 weeks now.
Yeah. So it just shows you can grow at any time of the year in a polytunnel.
Yeah, it's a very fast crop.
Yeah.
It grows very quick. Look at them.
Well, those are big
Beautiful.
ones, aren't they?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Zaman's organic gardening radishes, the first harvest of the year.
MashaAllah.
Mashallah.
MashaAllah.
So I think we're going to be harvesting some spinach. So this spinach, we're doing the second harvest of this spinach. This spinach was also sown 5 weeks ago. Zaman's family's already had one harvest from this already,
Yes.
which is quite impressive because today is the 1st of April, so it's only just spring. There's very fresh, very healthy leaves, very nice. Do you know what these what's been eating them a bit?
Maybe some flies, I think.
Yeah. So we're not going to harvest the entire crop because if we leave it, we will get a lot more leaves, but we can just take the outer leaves.
Yeah.
So if you leave about a 2-inch stem,
Yeah, it grows more.
it grows a lot more. So I think this is a perpetual type spinach, so it's quite a hardy early spinach. Beautiful leaves. So this will probably grow for another few months. Look how strong, very strong, healthy plant. And will this be your dinner tonight, Zaman?
Yes.
Nice,
If
in a
it's-
nice dal or curry.
And the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So with the coriander,
Yeah.
do you just
We can cut it from here, you know, all of it.
and will it grow back? Have you
Yeah,
cut it?
grow back. Yeah,
It'll grow back from the base. will it?
definitely, definitely.
Right.
Go ahead.
Beautiful.
You can't grow this outside. In tunnel is very good for these kind of crops.
And greenhouses are good as well, aren't they?
Yeah. But the tunnel is more warmer than a greenhouse
Yeah.
because air doesn't go in, you see.
Right.
But in the greenhouse, the air can get in. Very nice.
Very nice. That's a
That's nice.
bouquet of coriander.
Beautiful. This is the fresh one for this year. We harvest this spinach, coriander, radish. We can harvest some of them, you see. How are we gonna do it like this? See?
And if those are shallots.
These are the shallots, and these will grow up again.
So you don't
And
grow.
again.
So you don't grow shallots for the bulb. You grow them for the greens.
That's right. You can get the greens in every three weeks.
And will the bulb grow?
They will grow. Okay. So that will give us, yeah.
Perfect.
And this.
So this is April the 1st in Birmingham, UK.
Yes.
Harvest from this year's crops in a polytunnel on Springfield Road allotments in Birmingham.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.